Has your home lost its vibrance? At Dirtbusterz, we don't just clean roofs, we transform homes. Say goodbye to algae, moss and lichen, and hello to a brighter, more beautiful property. Our high-pressure cleaning specialists take pride in delivering top-notch service that goes beyond expectations. Join our community of happy customers who have witnessed the Dirtbusterz magic. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we are dedicated to giving your home the aesthetic boost it deserves. Not only is our service used to revitalize and beautify your home, but it's also practical. With all roof cleaning, we include a complimentary gutter blowout. Working gutters are essential for the rainy season. Ready for a cleaner, brighter home? Contact Dirtbusterz today.